Welcome to Scandinavian Capital Markets and the best trading platform in the world, cTrader. In this video, we will review linking charts with the active symbol panel, placing orders from the charts, saving workspaces, and adding and deleting indicators. In an earlier video, we gave you an overview of charting. Let's look at cTrader charts in more detail and start with linking. Ensure that you have the active symbol panel open and you will see corresponding small boxes next to each symbol. Click on the box and you have the option of 8 distinct links or no link. For example, linking a single chart to the active symbol panel allows you to synchronize the two by selecting a new symbol on either. Extending this further, let's open 4 charts with the same symbol. Switch to multi-chart mode and apply 4 different time frames, ensuring that all have the corresponding link to the active symbol panel. Now, any change of symbol is reflected on all charts. Of course, any useful layout can be saved for use in the future as a workspace. In this case, we will call it multi-time frame. Another option in multi-chart mode would have you comparing different symbols, where we might have every chart using a different link. Again, you may save this handy layout as a new workspace if you wish. Of course, linking and workspaces work equally well in the cTrader web platform. On the cTrader desktop platform only, you may detach a chart in 3 ways. You may select the Detached Chart icon, you may right-click and select Detached Chart, or you may simply click and drag any chart to any location. We will be looking at placing orders and risk management in later videos, but here we will explore the options of placing and managing orders directly from the charts. On cTrader desktop and web, you may enter a market directly in Quick Trade mode. Simply click on either buy or sell and your position will be filled. Directly from the chart, you may adjust your stop loss and take profit, and your risk and profit, both in pips and account currency, are displayed. This method functions equally well on cTrader Mobile. Also, directly from the chart, we can apply advanced protection, which we will look at later, reverse, where we may close the existing position and take an equal position in the opposite direction, double, where we can double the size of that position, and the option to close the existing position. Double, reverse, and close are also available on cTrader Mobile. On the cTrader desktop platform, we have other options to open pending orders in either direction. For example, dragging a sell order to the chart above the current price will create a sell limit, and dragging it below the current price will create a sell stop. Conversely, dragging a buy order to the chart will place the corresponding pending order. You may adjust take profit and stop loss in the usual way or adjust the overall levels before the order is filled. Pending orders may also be cancelled from the chart. cTrader desktop and web both include a countdown box, which indicates the time remaining in the current chart time period relative to the current time frame. You may use the box to move the chart along the price axis, or, if you move the chart independently, clicking on the countdown box returns you to the current time. We will be exploring indicators in more detail in later videos, but you can add indicators to any chart from the Favorites panel, or by right-clicking and selecting the indicators that you need. These may be removed by selecting the Objects list in either area and deleting one or all indicators. Indicators may be added to cTrader mobile charts and deleted from the same area. This has been a brief look at cTrader chart functions. More detailed information on all aspects of the platforms will follow in this video series, but feel free to contact us should you have any questions.